Hi, I'm John.
Hi, I'm Maria.
Let's go over to Maria now for her Disney Cruise Line tips and tricks. And this week, it's all about how to turn your Navigator app from home to onboard mode.
Hello everyone and welcome back to this week's Disney Cruise tip, how to turn your Disney Cruise Line Navigator app from at-home mode to onboard mode. Let's get straight into it. As soon as you've booked your Disney Cruise reservation, make the most out of the magic and download the complimentary Disney Cruise Line Navigator app and link it to your reservation straight away. After you arrive at the terminal or board your ship, transform the app into onboard mode. While on board, use the app to complete the safety drill, view and explore plans, book activities, chat on board, contact guest services, and so much more. Here's how to transform the app. First, connect to the Disney Cruise Line guest Wi-Fi. Next, allow permissions on your device. On an iOS device, go to Settings, scroll down to Disney Cruise Line, then allow location and turn on local network. On an Android device, go to Settings, select Apps, then tap on Disney Cruise Line. Then tap Permissions, allow location, and turn on nearby devices. Congratulations, your device should now be ready to make the most out of the magic. If you're still having trouble, there's a few more tips to help you out. On iOS devices, turn off VPN and turn off Private Relay. On Android devices, make sure you clear your cache. Remember that you can always talk to any nearby crew members for assistance. Have a magical voyage. And that's it for our Disney Cruise Line tip for this week. Now it's over to you, John.
And that's it for today's show. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and hit the like button. Don't forget to spread the jam.